Hello everyone, welcome you all in class 11 geography. We are discussing chapter 3 module number 6. In this sixth module we are going to discuss about the Brahmaputra river system. As you know that we have already completed the Ganga river system and the Indus river system. So this is the last river system of Himalayan drainage. So let's start the topic. The Brahmaputra River. Brahmaputra River originates from Chemayungdung Glacier of Kailash Ranges near Mansarovar Lake, or we can say that basically the Brahmaputra River originates from the Mansarovar Lake and the Chemayungdung Glacier. Then in Tibet, means after the originate from the Mansarovar Lake, in Tibet the Brahmaputra is known as Sangpo. Sangpo means the purifier. So as we have already discussed that Ganga, it's not originate in the form of Ganga. It's originate from the Gangotri glacier in form of Bhagirathi. But at Devprayag, when it met with Alaknanda, it called as a Ganga. So same as in Tibet, this river is not called as a Brahmaputra. It's called as a Sangpo. Sangpo means a purifier. After it, the Rangpo and Sangpo is the major right bank tributary of the Brahmaputra in Tibet. Then after it, the Brahmaputra enter into the India near the west of Sadia town in Arunachal Pradesh. So from where the Brahmaputra entered in India. So basically it flow parallel to the Himalayan ranges in Tibet and take a U-turn near the Arunachal Pradesh and near the west of Sadia of Arunachal Pradesh. The Sadia is a town of Arunachal Pradesh state. So the west of Sadia town in Arunachal Pradesh, it take a U-turn and entered, means the Brahmaputra entered in India. Before it just flow in Tibet, means in China. The major left bank tributary of Brahmaputra are Lohit, Dibang, Sikang, Burhi, Dihing and Dhansari. These are major left bank tributary which join Brahmaputra from left side. Then major right bank tributaries are the Brahmaputra, Subansiri, Kameng, Manas and Sankos. So you can see the origination of Sangpo, or we can say Brahmaputra. So this is the red line which I drawing here. This red line, or in the image you can see this blue line, dark blue line. This is the Brahmaputra, or we can say that it known as Sangpo in Tibetan. So this is the river, Brahmaputra river. It take U-turn at this place and entered in India. So it take a U-turn and entered in India. Then after it flow in Arunachal Pradesh, then moved to Assam, then Meghalaya. Then after it entered in Bangladesh. You can see the blue, the bold blue. This is the bold blue line. I am drawing again here with the red color here. So red color you can identify easily with this red color. So the Brahmaputra, this is the Brahmaputra. It entered the Bangladesh and met with Padma. You can see the Brahmaputra met with Padma, and lastly it drained its water to the Bay of Bengal. One small, the Tista. Tista also join the Brahmaputra from right hand side. One small stream also move to India of this Brahmaputra and make at West Bengal the Ganga Brahmaputra delta. This is the Ganga Brahmaputra delta. So you can see once again, this is the origination place near the Mansarovar Lake, this is the origination place of Brahmaputra. Then, as the known of Sangpo, it move or flow parallel to the Himalayan range. Then near, this is the Lhasa Pass, near the Arunachal Pradesh, it take a U-turn and entered in India. Then flow toward the Assam and Meghalaya, then entered in Bangladesh. After entering in Bangladesh it's known as a Yamuna. So in Tibet it's known as Sangpo, in India it's known as Brahmaputra, and in Bangladesh it's known as Yamuna. Yamuna met with Padma, and after they drained their water into Bay of Bengal. One small tributary of this Ganga entered in India also and met with Ganga river, and after flowing toward the West Bengal they form Ganga Brahmaputra delta, and lastly they drain their water into Bay of Bengal at the mouth of Ganga river. So the Tista joined the Brahmaputra. As you can see, the Tista joined Brahmaputra on its right bank in Bangladesh, and from here the river is known as Yamuna. So in Bangladesh the Brahmaputra is known as Yamuna. Finally the Brahmaputra merged with the river Padma and fall in the Bay of Bengal. So this is the journey of Brahmaputra river and the Brahmaputra river system and its right and left bank tributaries. Thank you.